If your car's been acting up lately, stalling, hesitating, or just feeling off, it might be time to take a closer look under the hood. One sneaky culprit that often gets overlooked is the mass airflow sensor. This little guy plays a big role in how your engine breathes, and when it goes bad, it can throw your whole ride out of whack. Let's break it down like a seasoned mechanic would, nice and easy, so even if you've never turned a wrench, you'll know what to look for and how to fix it. What does the MAF sensor do anyway? Think of the MAF sensor as your engine's nose. It sniffs out how much air is coming into the engine so the computer can mix the right amount of fuel. Too much air and not enough fuel? You'll run lean. Too little air and too much fuel? You'll run rich. Either way, your engine won't be happy. A healthy MAF sensor keeps things balanced, smooth, and efficient. Rough idle or stalling. If your car's idling like it's had one too many cups of coffee, shaking, sputtering, or even stalling, it could be the MAF sensor sending bad info to the computer. The engine doesn't know how much air it's getting, so it guesses. And let's be honest, engines aren't great at guessing. Poor acceleration. Ever press the gas and feel like your car's dragging its feet? That sluggish response can be a sign the MAF sensor isn't measuring airflow correctly. The engine ends up starving for fuel or drowning in it, and either way, you're not getting the power you paid for. Black smoke from the exhaust. If you see black smoke puffing out the tailpipe, that's a red flag. It means the engine's running rich. Too much fuel, not enough air. A faulty MAF sensor can trick the computer into dumping extra fuel, and that unburned fuel turns into smoke. Not great for your wallet or the environment. Check engine light. The good old check engine light, your dashboard's way of saying something's wrong. A bad MAF sensor often triggers trouble codes like P0100 to P0104. You'll need a code reader to confirm, but if you've got other symptoms lining up, this light is your clue. Hard starting or no start. If your car's cranking but not catching, or it takes forever to start, the air-fuel mix might be way off. A busted MAF sensor can confuse the engine during startup, especially when it's cold. It's like trying to light a barbecue with the wrong mix of charcoal and lighter fluid. Just doesn't work right. Poor fuel economy. Notice you're filling up more often than usual? A bad MAF sensor can mess with fuel delivery, making your engine burn more gas than it needs. That means more trips to the pump and less money in your pocket. What causes a MAF sensor to go bad? Over time, dirt, oil, and debris can build up on the sensor's delicate wires. If you've got an oiled air filter, that oil can coat the sensor and throw off its readings. Moisture and heat can also wear it down. Sometimes it's just age. Like any part, it's not built to last forever. DIY fix. Clean or replace it. Before you go buying a new sensor, try cleaning the old one. Pick up a can of MAF sensor cleaner from your local auto parts store. Disconnect the sensor, spray it down, don't scrub it, let it dry, and reinstall. If cleaning doesn't help, replacement is usually straightforward. Just unplug the old sensor, remove a couple screws and pop in the new one. Make sure you get the right part for your make and model. Final thoughts. The MAF sensor might be small, but it's mighty. When it's working right, your engine runs smooth, efficient, and strong. When it's not, you'll feel it in every mile. So if your car's acting up and you've ruled out the usual suspects, don't forget to check the MAF. With a little know-how and a few tools, you can fix it yourself and get back on the road without breaking the bank. And remember, every car's got a story, and every fix is a step closer to keeping that story rolling.